You miss driving an old truck? Wish you could find one with low miles and good shape? Here you are. 1989 F-150 with 52,000 miles on it. V8, 4-speed manual, single cab. Everything works good. 1989 Ford F-150 XLT Lariat. 5.0 V8, 4-speed manual, 2-wheel drive, 52,249 miles. Story, as I recall, is it's a one-owner truck. He tried to keep it as nice as he could. Very clean truck, cool color, red, two-tone gray. This truck came with a topper on it, so that's why the bed is super clean. Very, very, very nice bed. Interior is in awesome shape. Transmission works good, brakes work good, all that. Cruise control, everything functions. So we'll go left to right, pushing the buttons, pulling the knobs, and then we will go for a drive. So park lights, headlights, high beams, wipers, push into wash, so low constant, high constant, and that's it. Pushing into wash didn't yield anything. Fuel tank switch, front and rear. It's a dual tank truck. Currently on the front, we go to rear, and we drop to E, so that rear tank is empty. Horn works. As I said, cruise control and stuff works. Is it a tilt wheel? I think it is. There you go. Tilt works. Lock it right there. A little cubby here for some coins and some doodads. AC works, radio works. So we'll go high, max AC. Blows cold. Very nice. Norm. Should be a high-low kind of thing going on there. Vent. Floor. Works. Floor and defrost. That works. Strictly defrost. We'll go over to the hot side. It's good and warm. That works. That works. That works. Alright. Put it back on the cool side, go to low, and just normal AC. Try and get a little flow of air here. Okay. Cigarette lighter right there. Doesn't look used. No smell of smoke or anything like that. Radio.
I'm good. How are you? Here. Then go.
7 Sioux Falls, home for classic rock. Hey, welcome back to the Bob and Tom Show. We're in the O'Reilly Auto Parts Studios. At the news desk is Cheryl Astley.
Good morning.
There's Pat Godwin.
Hello.
Josh Arnold.
Hi.
Ace Cosby.
Hey.
I'm Chick, and Tom. We have
All works. Sounds really good. Rearview mirrors mounted up to the windshield nice. Day and night mode work well. Visors. You got a simple mirror, passenger side, driver side. Just a band for throwing your mail or your notes. Our shop did an oil change on it. 5W30 Pennzoil. Truck's running good. E-brake works. Indicator works. No other lights on the dash. Fuel injected motor. Very responsive. Good basic classic truck in wonderful condition. Manual adjust mirrors, manual crank windows. You know, just about everything is as basic as you can get, but still a nice, you know, modern truck with fuel injection. All right, let's go for a drive. Seat belt. Oh. Retract is a little sticky there. There you go. Works good, just when you pull it all the way out, it seems to lock out. Okay. you're familiar. So 4-speed, right and down is reverse. E-brake is off. There you are. First. Fairly low first. I think I was starting out in second when I was taking off from stoplights and stop signs. Smaller tire on here. Might be the stock size though. A little bigger tire will kind of make that first and possibly second gear a little more useful on the street. Truck rides great, especially for the rear tank being empty. I noticed with these older Fords that if you just put half a tank or so in the back tank, it rides a lot nicer. Second into third. Wheels a little off center. Hit the brakes. No pulling, anything like that. Cruising right along. We got no wind noise at all. 55 miles an hour. Let's kick on the cruise. It works. 55, just about 2,400 RPM. Cancel on the steering wheel. That works. Good visibility. Mirrors are in good spots. Transmission works wonderfully. If you're looking for an old school, nostalgic, kind of older truck, I mean, this one is clean. 50,000 miles. It's good. Staying in third, that V8's plenty strong. Aside from the wiper sprayer not working, I don't think anything else doesn't work on this old truck. All right, fourth gear. All gauges are reading well. Voltmeter shows we're charging. Coolant gauge is just in the nominal range off of the cool side. Oil pressure right in the middle. Fuel tank about halfway past a 1.25. So what? 3/8 of a tank, 5/8 of a tank. Back up to 2,500 RPM. Take her up to 60. Makes you think, what, 410 rear gear? There's 65 at just under 3,000. Hit cruise right there. Rather quiet in the cab for the motor spinning that fast. We'll hit coast just to try it, and that works. You let off and it gets right back to speed. Cancel right there. Awesome. Alright, you guys, well, check it out at frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, click the I'm interested button on there or give us a call. Happy to help you get some more photos, a specific picture you need, anything like that. If you're on YouTube, go ahead and watch another video if you got some time. That helps my channel. And then like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We got a couple muscle cars that came in. El Camino and a Firebird and something else, so we'll get those cleaned up and ready for photos and video, and they'll be on the channel coming up soon. Other than that, we'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.